Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm here with Giselle
Again.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a mall haul.
A mall haul.
Mall haul.
Mall haul. That's the new thing.
Yeah. So, let me show you what we got. So, first, we got some slime. We're not going to open them now. We're going to show them first and then open them.
Slime.
We got our activator for the slimes. For, I think, tomorrow, we'll ask if tomorrow, we're going to have like a water day. I bought a kiddie pool and these bunch of balloons. That'll be fun. I also bought handcuffs. And we bought these. These have appeared on my channel before, previously with Charlotte on. And so, yeah. Let's get to opening.
Are we doing slime first?
Sure.
Okay.
So let's get the playtest off. We're gonna clear our area and we'll be right back. All right, so we cleared our area. Now let's open. So she got like a apple one, and I got like the strawberry.
Like an apple little cake thing.
And we have activator on standby because it could be sticky.
And these brands is from Crystal Slime. So
Yeah, I don't know if I want to. I'm gonna take pictures later.
So.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing.
Hold on, I haven't touched it.
It was amazing.
Wait. Oh, it smells good. Smell it.
Smell mine. It smells
Strawberries.
like green. It smells like the Jolly Ranchers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yours smells amazing.
I got like a strawberry one. They don't have names. Wing it? Oh.
Kind of sticky.
Look at the jelly bottom. It's a little bit, but once you need it. I've reviewed slime on my channel, I think a few times or once. I don't know.
And yes, we got these
At Starfield.
Starfield Mall, located in South Korea. I don't know where it is. Somewhere, yeah. But there's a slime cart
Stand and Giselle being the nice.
I bought them.
She bought them.
And they were $12 each. And you can also get smaller ones.
Yeah, I think we should have got a smaller one, but these are pretty good.
Yeah. And they smell really good. No, I think it's good that we got fruit, so it smells good.
Okay, so real quickly.
And for a good slime, you're only supposed to have it out for 5 to 8 minutes, or else it'll go bad.
Okay, let's do a pokey test. Hold on, let me.
Does it have good?
Mine has good pokes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I have good.
I'll post to YouTube a short with photos. Let's do those dolls. We're gonna take pictures with the dollops later. So right now,
We're not putting those in yet?
not right now. We're gonna take pictures.
Okay.
So they can be pretty. Okay, but we'll post the pictures on the shorts, hopefully. But let's put these back in the container. Honestly, some slimes cost like $30 and stuff, so this was, for what it is, it's really good. Plus, it came with free activator. Look at how big the activator is.
A travel size activator.
Oh yeah, hopefully. Or you can fit in your check bag. It came with these things, but we're gonna post pictures later. Now, wait, I wanna do my handcuffs. Where's my handcuffs? Someone take my handcuffs? Girl? No! Oh. We're gonna test them out, so I'm gonna handcuff Giselle.
Does it come with a key?
Yeah, it comes with a key. Of course it comes with a key. I got these at Daiso because I wanted handcuffs. I actually didn't even know they had handcuffs.
And luckily, they're only 2,001,
Which is pretty cheap.
which is $2 American dollars.
Not exactly $2.
Basically. They look good.
There. You're under arrest for being annoying.
They're actually annoying.
No. When you were little, yeah. But not anymore. Not really. Give me your other hand. They're pretty sturdy.
Yeah. Do not get these from Dollar Tree or something because they...
Can you get it out? Nah, it's
Wait,
pretty
let me
good.
No,
Okay, I'll let you free with the keys. I should have had these yesterday for the COVID. Yeah, the COVID tests were not fun.
They stuck it all the way up.
Yeah, up to it was this long, and then you can only see this sticking out. So. Okay, that was a good purchase.
Now it's time for our mystery surprises.
So we're gonna pull out one item at a time.
Okay.
Hold on, let me open my
I
phone.
literally got spoons. I got spoons.
Okay, you can go first.
Wait, I think I got a party thing.
You go first. Okay.
I got socks.
Socks.
I got
Okay.
socks too.
I got.
Your socks are cuter.
Okay.
My socks are like ugly.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I got more socks. Oh, these are so cute. I'm definitely gonna wear these.
I got more socks.
Oh, you got the same ones as me, but a different color.
I got socks. Okay, your turn.
Oh no, I got more. Got more socks. I was like, I got spoons.
I have more socks.
Why do we need so many spoons?
But I also wait one at a time.
Oh, sorry.
I got some spoons too.
I got a basket.
Are these the same? Because I got a basket too.
Got the same color basket.
Oh.
And I got some balloons.
Is it?
Did you get more?
I got balloons. I got an N.
I got an L. I got a U. I have a 4 and I have an A.
I have an A, a U, a 4, and an N.
This
And
was not a
my
surprise.
last thing.
Don't tell me it's more socks.
It's
Is that a bed?
it's like a Barbie.
Oh, it's like a chair.
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of disappointed. We wasted $5.
I think it's kind of cool. I got a chair.
I feel like you got. Wait, so you didn't get these?
Yeah. I think it's funny that we got all those songs. Okay, let's put everything back in here. And we didn't even get.
Okay, so now we have spoons. Lots of plastic spoons. If y'all want some custom socks from us, like
They're not even. They are plastic.
yeah, some custom socks touched by your favorite YouTubers.
No, it's not that.
We're gonna give y'all some socks.
Not even
If they don't fit, we're gonna. Oh wait, no,
I'm not even famous.
They're no yes socks. They say no yes on them.
That's beautiful.
I'm very disappointed.
You got a basket.
Yeah, we got baskets, but they're kind of ugly. I could put my slime in here.
I don't think it was a waste. I mean, we got spoons. Yay!
Spoons and socks.
Yeah. That's what we got because everything else is so expensive.
It was only $10.
It was fine, but we should have got the $10 one.
Yeah.
Then we would have gotten more junk. But
socks.
we're gonna
We're gonna make a short for y'all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications.
so you are notified when I post a video. I love y'all. Have a great day, night, or evening.
can't do this
Bye.